going to make bread pudding because I got a message yesterday that we need to carry food at school on Monday. So you guys know that I'm gonna cook up a few Jamaican things here and there and everywhere because I'm extra. So I'm gonna have to go with enough food.
Cook for everybody. It means everybody have to bring food. Not Melissa have to bring food for everybody.
Well, it's always that case when it comes down to me. Melissa brings food for everybody because everybody has to taste the Jamaican goodness. So I'm gonna do a little ackee and saltfish. I'm gonna do a little chicken.
What do you mean everybody have to taste the
peas.
Jamaican goodness? What are you talking about?
Not that Jamaican goodness.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about food, honey, not
Mama,
food.
why is there
About
food?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I need to go in class one of these days.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, my babies.
Wagwan.
Say hello to Fibs. Sorry, Tyler, no. Ty. Come, the tram is coming. I have to talk to you guys when I get on the tram because there it is coming. What are you doing?
Je sais petit pampois.
Here goes the tram. Alright, time to get loud.
It's time for the super market.
It's Sarah to see.
Yeah, exactly.
No.
It's time for the
super market.
Good job, Sarah.
High five, you are the best today.
Ready, Sarah?
Yeah.
Ready, Tyler?
Yes.
Ready, one hand?
Yes.
Anyway, you guys, hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Ready?
Good afternoon and
Yes.
good night. As you guys can
Are
see,
you
we're
ready?
on our way to the
Yes.
I was about to say on our way to the hospital. I guess it's right for me to say that because we're living at the doctor these days.
Right.
Oh.
You just say
What is that?
Couscous.
A couscous.
alright, Tyler, kick off the hall. I can't even give you guys a good introduction. So just get this. Let's get this
What is
supermarket
that,
out of the way.
Mini coca.
Yes, Tyler, let's go.
I can tell you that somebody invented the stage.
It's
pour les
baking
gâteaux.
pan.
Baking
But it doesn't mean I'm going to bake in it. What's this?
C'est caché.
Good job, Ty. It's for and what's inside of it?
So,
What's in it?
so Tyler, choose this.
It's chocolate.
So why you take this one, Tyler?
Because all the why not?
No, I mean this is
As a
nice and fancy one and tastes good.
It was the
chocolate.
cheapest one, just so you know. It was the
A
cheapest one.
Lindt, nice chocolate.
It was the cheapest one. It was actually on sale.
Okay.
You
Good
want
chocolate.
Chocolate for Sarah.
Fancy
Hot
taste.
chocolate.
So anybody want Tyler? A fancy taste is gonna cost you a lot.
Bread. I guess he's warning Tyler that he's gonna eat some.
Orange juice.
More baking tin. You guys know I'm gearing up for Christmas cake. So we start by early.
Eclair or chocolat? How you call that in English?
The same.
Why is it in the wrong direction?
That's how we pick it up.
Schweppes.
Tyler
Lemon.
wanted that.
Eclair, you call it
Alright,
eclair?
yes.
Chocolate
Biscuit
eclair.
for the kids, donut for the
Mama.
kids. It open. I start buying the bulk wine to bake.
Wow.
See, they're falling out of the pack.
So this is cheap wine. We're not gonna
Yeah.
get fancy wine.
Yes.
No, we bulk wine is not expensive.
Yeah, this is more. We
You
call
don't
it
cook
cook.
with
We call it cook wine. This is
don't-
not wine to drink.
No, you don't cook with. The
Tangerine.
red wine when you cook with that is something small amount and
Yeah,
fancy.
this.
Yeah, no.
Even on the image is a cooking.
Yeah.
image.
Salad.
Yes, Ty, go on with yourself. A bad bread.
Ooh, Sarah, what is that?
Because
Cookie.
I'm going
For
to
who?
make bread pudding.
Papa, Mama.
Right, for everybody.
I'm going to make bread pudding because I got a message yesterday that we need to carry food at school on Monday. So you guys know that I'm gonna cook a few Jamaican things here and there and everywhere because I'm extra. So I'm gonna have to go with enough food.
Cook for everybody. It means everybody have to bring food. Not Melissa have to bring food for everybody.
Well, it's always that case when it comes down to me. Melissa brings food for everybody because everybody has to taste the Jamaican goodness. So I'm gonna do a little ackee and saltfish. I'm gonna do a little chicken.
What you
and
mean
I'm gonna
everybody
do
have
rice
to
and
taste the
peas.
Jamaican goodness? What are you talking about?
Not that Jamaican goodness.
What are you talking
I'm
about?
talking about food, honey, not
Mama,
food.
why is there
Talking
only
about
Are
food.
you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Ramen.
I need to go in class one of these days. Yes, Sarah.
More ramen.
Sarah only defending our calendar right now. You're defending your calendar, Sarah? Don't pack up that anymore, sorry. Good job. Sarah, what's this?
Rice egg.
C'est quoi en français?
Guys, I'm feeling for compote since couple of days. So here are my compote, apple
My husband
compote.
is pregnant, that's all I know. You guys remember this hat when Tyler was a baby like Sarah?
Yeah.
Now it's Sarah's own. When he came out of school and saw Sarah, it is like,
Yogurt.
for Papa.
We have chicken. We have three pan of
We
chicken.
have
Yeah,
more
but very good. I
chicken.
don't want Sarah to see. So I'm hiding it.
I found a chocolate to Papa.
You what?
Slap Papa.
No slapping. What's this?
Chicken.
No. What's yes, fish. What kind of fish?
Champignon. Papa dirait ça.
Salmon. Salmon. Yes, salmon and chicken.
Champignon.
Champignon, c'est quoi en anglais?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. See, I'm forgetting my English words. What a lie. Don't say look like mama here. Because I feel like you're about to say that right now. I swear I see him look at it, you know, and he look at me like.
Papa is actually right. Papa is actually very right. No, I'm not gonna say it.
Mama, when we
This
do
is
this,
exactly
it looks
what
like
it
you are Indian.
Indian?
Broccoli.
Indian. More bulk wine and deck. Enough wine for the enough cake. The reason why I haven't baked as yet, you know, is because I don't have any browning and I'm waiting for browning to reach me. One of my friends coming from Jamaica is supposed to bring browning for me, and I ordered browning from a girl in Belgium, and I know it don't reach
The
me.
bunny is not in Antibes. Okay, I don't know why I think he was in Antibes.
If it wasn't Antibes, would I reach Antibes already?
I need to go in Antibes.
Tomato, why are you guys not doing the haul?
I'm actually resting my hands.
He's resting his
I
hands.
feel the pain on it so
Oh,
much.
poor thing. Sweet pepper, c'est quoi en français, Ty? Ty, you're doing such a good job.
Sweet pepper.
Sarah, what is this?
Poivron. Poivron vert, poivron rouge.
What's this, Sarah?
Fries.
Sarah in love with her calendar. She's not looking at us. Good job, Ty.
I like resting like this looking at them. I think that's a cool job. That's a cool job.
You're
Cheese.
going to get fire from everything you
No,
watch.
it's me fire the people. It's the person that looking at the
Oh,
other.
Tyler working,
Fine,
one boy. More fries. Tyler doing your job for you. Sausage. Butter. Sarah, what's this? What's this? Why you give me pepper? It's my pepper. It's my pepper.
Don't make me
Cry.
cry.
Oh no. Mama is just
You know
joking.
exactly what you are doing by doing that.
I'm sorry. Say naughty, naughty, mama. Yes, it's your pepper. Mama is very sorry, okay?
So I did
Can mama get a hug?
Yeah.
She knows not to play.
I didn't
with
know she
the
was
kids.
gonna cry. I thought she was
Guys, I
gonna
don't know
cry
if you
with
remember
me.
that day when she took away Tyler.
Oh!
Tyler candy
You remember Ty? When you were about 3 years old, you went trick or treat, and I took away all your candy and hid them and told you that I ate them. I was tricking you and you cried so much. I felt so bad.
Yes.
You remember?
I remember.
You sure you remember?
Yes.
I bawled when he bawled.
You know, I remember.
I
remember.
And ever since that, I said, me, never again I'll do that to them. So Sarah will never experience that, and I'll never do it again to Tyler. If you guys don't know, I hate when my kids cry, especially Tyler. Whenever Tyler cries, it does something to me, to my entire soul.
Sabusa.
And then she get excited at me like, go away! Leave me alone!
That's what it's supposed to be, no?
No good for the kids.
Poisson! Sorry, c'est quoi ça? C'est quoi le nom?
A second one.
Fish.
And I don't think I eat cheese or wheat.
No, he's not eating it because he doesn't have any appetite for
So
it.
I don't know how many cheese we made, but
Half.
it's all on her.
Half.
All on her.
That's okay.
She can't say
I'm not
it's
shaming
me.
my cheese
Tell her, look,
game.
something you made.
Lie material. Oh, he wasn't tricking? Because I know you don't like
I never lie.
Cross your heart and hope to die and say that again.
I never lie.
Sarah, it's time for rock, paper, scissors. Look at Ty gonna kick Papa butt with his left hand. What? Let me see how you're gonna do it with your left hand. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. If you guys are new to our channel, after every supermarket haul, it's routine. For us, it's a way of bonding for us to do rock, paper, scissors. It's just a fun game that Tyler love to do. So we just play along with him, and Sarah is involved, and now I'm involved, and now Papa is involved. So here we go. I'm the ref. Tyler against Papa.
Okay.
Left hand Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa with his left hand. You're gonna Papa beat you with his left hand. Die. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my gosh, Papa gonna be Tyler with the left hand. With the left hand. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Papa beat you with the left hand.
Okay.
Papa beat Ty.
Me, you.
Tyler, come here, come here.
Yes, Peppa. Me and you?
Yes.
Okay. Move left, please. Move, we're not celebrating. Yeah, your left hand. This man is a whole clown. You want us to slap you on your big finger? Come, Ty. Me and you. Make sure you win. Come. You're refing the game or no?
Second division play now. Okay. Second division.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two mama.
Tell you, fine, no dinner, nothing.
I'm not going to make you lose. You have to earn every win. Remember that, right? Ready, focus. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Undefeated, mama. That's okay. That's okay. You won how many games before today? No. How many weeks before today you won? How many? No. How many weeks before today you beat Papa? That's not true. You beat Papa like 4 weeks in a row, and Papa didn't win any, right? Exactly. So you practice. No, that's not true. Hello. You practice, and come back again. This is the first time Papa is winning in a long time. Anyway, take your losses like a champ. Take your losses like a champ. Do it. Do it now. Do that. Do this. You're not doing it?
No.
Why not?
I do.
You'll feel better when you do it. Do it. Alright, you hungry?
Yeah.
Alright, Mama gonna make dinner for you. Go take off your shoes.
I'm mostly tired.
Hi. Hi, pretty. Hi, pretty. You're gonna go watch your tablet? You carrying Peppa with you? No, we put up Peppa until Christmas. Okay?
I'll take one.
No, Mama gonna give you another chocolate. You want chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay. Come down and Mama give you a tight chocolate.
Yeah, I don't want chocolate, I want that candy.
So I'm coming on to end today's vlog, and just to give you guys a little update of what you guys did not see today. So the day started off with everybody leaving home and heading to their respective places. Sarah went to school, Tyler went to school. Sarah also had picture day. That's why Sarah was looking cute with her little two ponytails in her head. Sarah had picture day. Picture day went well, I was told, until after lunch. So I was at school also and eating lunch, and just as I was finishing up lunch, my phone started ringing. No name came up and I answered, and it was Sarah's school calling. Whenever Sarah's school call, whenever any of the kids' school call, it's never a good thing. So when I hear the person say, oh, this is da 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 da, and I'm calling from da 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 da, I'm like, oh my gosh. They said Sarah was okay the entire morning until she finished eating lunch. She started telling them that her ears hurting. I guess because she did not get her midday medicine, and disclaimer, we cannot send medicine to school with none of the kids. They're not allowed to carry medicine. They're not allowed to give them medicine at school. So we thought that she would have been okay because she made a turnaround when we got back from the hospital. She slept all night. She had a perfect night. She only called us to bring her to the potty, and yeah, so she went to school, and I was not expecting that call, but I'm happy I picked up, because if I was in class I wouldn't have picked up unless it was her school name pop up on my phone, because when the school is calling, it normally pop up on the phone, but it didn't this time. I don't know, I guess they called from a different phone, obviously. So just to say that I had to pick up Sarah early from school. I had to leave school right away because Babe was out of town, though he wasn't too far away, but he had an important appointment that he had to do. So I had to leave school and go pick up Sarah. So it took me like 45 minutes by public transportation to reach to her school. So I got to her about 10 minutes before 2 p.m. And when I picked her up, she was just crying. So I got home, gave her medicine, and the minute she got her medicine, she fell asleep, and Sarah was fine. So she was really needing that medicine. So we've been making sure she's not missing any dosage since she got home. So she's been fine. She had an okay night last night. She wake up like 2 times just to get some water, and I make sure I give her medicine in the night. What else I want to tell you? Oh, so you guys remember I was complaining to you guys and telling you guys that Sarah came home last week with a mark on her face. So I have to apologize to Sarah's school and to the teachers, because the note of what happened to Sarah was in her book, but it was in a spot that was hidden. So normally when something happened at school, they would put it on the next page available. So the person that put the report in her page put it all the way some few pages back. I don't know why they did that, but I guess the person probably didn't realize that they skipped so many pages. Because once you know that, it's like a book. When you're reading a book, you're not going to read just some random page. You're going to read the next page, right? So needless to say, the report was there about what happened. So the report did send home, and we actually discovered it the following morning when she was going to school. And it wasn't the following morning either. It was the Monday morning because it happened on a Friday. So we found it, I think, the Monday morning or the Sunday night, one of those days. But it was before she went back to school. So needless to say, the report was there. So I was no longer mad. I didn't have to ask what happened because the report was in her book. But like I said, it wasn't in the spot where it should have been. Anyway, you guys, that's a whole lot of updates. So I apologize, and I always right my wrongs, and be a woman about it. Anyway, have a good rest of your day and enjoy. Make sure you give this vlog a thumbs up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow without a doubt. So